Hey guys, some time ago I showed you how to install this custom USB charger for Golf MK7 so your passengers in the back row can charge their devices without taking your USB port or your 12-volt outlet. And some of you asked how much power can it deliver. So I have an Android phone over here with an application that shows how much power is delivered to the phone. So first let's check it with some wall socket bricks and then we'll check it in the car. Okay, so the first one gives one amp, and this one, I believe it's standard Apple USB charger. Okay, so let's check something a little bit more powerful, I believe. This one delivers close to 1.7, and let's check how much it will deliver using the USB-C outlet. With USB-C I have pretty much same result with 1.8 in peak, and right now it's going a little bit down. I believe this is battery management that brings it down because of the capacity of the or the temperature of the battery. So let's check it in the car. Now I have it connected to the USB port here, and it's just above 1 amp, slowly going up, 1.2. Okay, and it's stable around here. And now let's check the rear outlets. 1.2 reached. And now the rear connection, the real test. 1.3 amp, 1.6 amp, with maximum of close to 1.7. So I believe it should give even 2 amps if the phone is capable of taking such charge. Okay, so that's it. Quick test for those of you which were curious about how good is this charger. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this test and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.